Hello guys, welcome to another video on PlusNik channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out in Premiere Pro. First I'll play your video to find places where you want to put effect, and then go to Effect Controls, and you should create time frame points. In order to create time frame points, click on position and scale. Then you can zoom in and zoom out with changing scale. Now as you can see, I'm increasing the value of scale, and we have zoom in effect here. For example, I want to zoom in my face in this video, and I'm changing values for position and scale. I have time frame point here, and play again the video. As you can see, we have zoom in. Okay, and we want to create zoom out, create time frame points again, and play again the video, and create time frames for zoom out by changing the value of scale and position. When I'm playing the video, we have the first zoom in effect, and then after that we have zoom out effect. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was useful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, you can watch these videos